For a long time now, we've been looking for a solution for recycling PVC because PVC is one of the most easy substrates to print and fabricate. It's been a long journey and we've tried many methods of doing it, and finally we've partnered with Bluecastle, who now have some fantastic machinery and are able to find a solution for our printing companies.
So we've collaborated with Soyang along this journey, and after meeting with them right at the very beginning, we found that we shared the same ethics and the same ethos, and really wanted the same thing for both of our businesses. And where we're being disruptive in our industry, Soyang are now being disruptive in their industry, and I think that's why the partnership is such a strong and good partnership.
The print and sign industry were in great difficulty. Their core business is to sell banners, not to recycle them. The PVC is a good substrate for printing, and the end product is far, far greater than some of the other eco products. So we had to spend time working out how we could get to recycle this material, and over the last 2 or 3 years we've accomplished this.
Soyang Europe is a company based in Altham, Lancashire, quite close to Manchester. We employ 21 people now with a distribution facility of 70,000 square foot. We're manufacturers in China and also importers and distributors of digital print media. We find that PVC is one of the best substrates for printing on. The reasons for that is very good ink adhesion, excellent fabrication, and generally one of the most strongest materials in the marketplace. We've rolled out the recycling scheme initially to about 4 or 5 large printers based in the retail sector mainly, and also the outdoor market, where there was a high consumption of PVC and a real problem to find a way of recycling it. The scheme's now been running for about 12 or 18 months. We wanted to trial it with some of our largest customers based all around the country. This has been accepted very, very well by these, let's say, big 5 companies, and we're now rolling it out to the rest of the industry. The reaction has been absolutely fantastic because most companies are paying the cost of landfill, and they're also being asked by their customers, whether it be retail, exhibition, outdoor market, to find a way to recycle. So they're being pushed into this, and I think it's everybody's responsibility now to recycle.
So we got support from Lincolnshire Growth Hub to purchase the shredding machine, and we were able then to open up the unit and start bringing material in and processing it and then selling it as a product. From there we looked at a further solution that we could take the material back to raw material, and we entered an Innovate UK funding, and we won the funding, we won the grant funding, so that we can then create a green chemical process that would then turn the actual material back into raw material and really go into the kind of the circular economy, so it could be used to recreate new banner material. And we got funding from that in December 2018, and we've been working with York University, and we are quite close to now creating the process to be able to turn it into virgin material again.
The cages come in, or the bales come in from the client. They come into what we call the sorting area. These are then sorted either into PVC or polyester. Often we get new substrates like polyprop and low density polyethylene. All these will be separated out at this point. What we do then, we kick the machine off, the first stages into the pre-shredder, and what happens there is the guys will load a certain amount of PVC on and then add polyester. So that will go up to stage 1, drop into the granulator and be mixed together and torn and ripped, ready for the big pre-shred. Once it's done the pre-shred, it runs up conveyor number 2 and drops into the main shredder. And then that rotates with about 147 different knives, ripping it down to a 30 mil shred. And what that does, it pulls away the PVC from the polyester and gives us a nice product ready to go out to the market.
Because plastics is such a hot topic at the moment in the world, because of the work we've done here, we're now part of the knowledge transfer network, and as a result we actually got invited to the House of Lords to listen to their ideas and contribute to the steps that everybody is making to make the world a better place with plastics. So this is really just the beginning of what we want to achieve as a business.
Before Blue Castle, all materials were going to landfill, and with landfill, year on year there's an increase in cost. So it's really our responsibility as a manufacturer and distributor to find a way of dealing with the waste of PVC in a responsible way.